As you guys know, every day of this month, we are putting a nitrous kit in a random CleetusMcFarland.com order. In each box, you got a big blue nitrous bottle just like this, a bottle bracket, and then a nitrous system that looks kind of like this. So if you need a little nitrous, oh, look at that.
Spun the fan.
So if you need a little bit of nitrous to get your fan going, or your minivan going, or your Honda Civic going, whatever it is, visit CleetusMcFarland.com. Buy anything, a t-shirt, a sticker. It doesn't matter what you get, because we're gonna pick one random order of the day, stick a nitrous kit in it, and send it off to one of you guys. Now I'm a little bit behind, so from the 16th we have Adam V from Boyne City, Michigan. He got a nitrous kit from just one lanyard. From the 17th, we have Michael T from Burton, Michigan, and he got a Let Freedom Rip snapback. From the 18th, we have Donovan A from Glendale, Arizona. He got a retro Hell Yeah Brother t-shirt, and he happened to get a nitrous sticker. And then from the 19th, which was yesterday, we have Michael V from Dyer, Indiana, and he got a Hell Yeah shirt. So guys, we're burning through these nitrous kits fast. Visit CleetusMcFarland.com after the video.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the McFarland Science Channel. One of the most demanded science projects that we have seen in the comments was to redo our old experiment where we emptied the oil out of a Ford Crown Victoria 4.6 liter V8 and replaced it with gasoline. Well, you guys wanted to see that redone, but with diesel. We're going to take all the oil out of this beautifully running 4.6 liter V8 and put diesel in the crankcase, and it's going to be pumping diesel through the engine to try and keep itself lubricated.
Sounds good, purrs like a kitten. Oh yeah. Little cosmetic damage, no big
Take a
deal.
look at the dash. No lights on the dash. She's got perfect oil pressure. Beautifully. So we heated up the engine in order for the oil to get nice and hot, and then it'll drain better. So we're about to pop open the oil pan, take all that hot oil out. Obviously there's gonna be a little bit of oil left, but at that point we're gonna fill up the engine with about 2 gallons of diesel. Then we're gonna hop right out here on the track at the Freedom Factory, see how many laps it'll go. When we had gasoline in the crankcase, we had a large explosion, very sketchy. But once we were able to sort out how to keep the car running, which required us to remove all the PCV lines, and the car went 17 laps around our 3/8 oval here at the Freedom Factory. So, guesstimations on laps, George?
I mean, I'm going a little bit more. I'm going to say 25.
25, yeah.
That's pushing it probably, but it surprised me last time.
It might do it. It might do it. Here's the deal, guys. Gasoline is more of a degreaser, right? So it pretty much does the opposite of oiling something. That's why we wanted to do this experiment. We knew it'd end disastrously, and it actually killed all the bearings in the engine on the car we previously tested. Diesel, on the other hand, just by feel, is much more oily. It's much more lubricant-like, so we'll see. I mean, diesel has to go further than 17 laps, but honestly, the engine's got to come to its death at some point. I don't think it's gonna make it much past 20 laps.
If someone can explain better in the comments below the difference between gasoline and diesel, I'll pin the comment, because we just don't know what we're talking about.
All right, we got Dr. Spray 'em all here with a small presentation of several different types of fluids that we're gonna be, dealing with today. Looks like gasoline there on the left.
Gasoline.
Yep.
Clean engine oil. Diesel. It's red because we're off-road.
Yeah, we got off-road diesel here at the Freedom Factory for all our tractors and stuff. Gasoline, you can see, was just a quick shot right up in flames. Very flammable.
Guys, wait a second. We're not
We
even.
probably shouldn't have done this underneath here. Let's pour some of this diesel out on the car. Doesn't even, wow, pour some more. Don't even let it, there we go, a little bit. That'll be the paint. That's a brand new diesel out of the tank, there it goes.
Okay.
It has to get hot enough.
Yeah, it's really got to get hot. Diesel's just all around a lot less volatile than gasoline. Goes in engines with a lot higher compression than gasoline, so diesel, I don't know. It's made to lubricate and it's made to withstand high compression. I think it's all around got to do better as the oil in our engine.
Put it out with the water.
Holy Toledo!
All right, so now that we've taught you everything there is to know about the fuels, let's drain our oil and put in some diesel.
Doctor?
James, how much oil do these Crown Vics normally hold?
About 6.5.
6.5 quarts?
Empty, yeah. So probably
See if you can do this.
5.5 in there.
See if you can do this without getting oil on your hands, like a real man. Dude, that oil looks clean.
He's only got 103,000.
Yeah, dude. Low mile unit here. Wow. That's how a pro does it.
Professional, dude.
Doctor, spray them all? That's all of it?
That's all of it.
That's it, folks. There's our engine oil. Looks grimy. Push her over to the old diesel station. Top it off.
Good car you picked here, bud.
Yeah. Had to be a good runner for the sake of being honest with the people.
All right, folks. Here we go.
Remember what happened last time we were sitting right here doing
Yeah,
this?
but that's not going to happen with this. This is a different story. Diesel, I'm not as afraid of. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful, brother.
I mean, it is more oily, but it's not much more oily.
Yeah, half gallon. 3/4.
This is great.
1 gallon.
It seems like a lot.
Gallon and a half.
1.6, 1.7.
1.65.
Brother.
Get suited and booted.
I'll get suited.
All right.
Normally, I would say my lab coat would save me from anything that could go wrong, but I'll put on a fire suit.
Just in case.
Last time we were like, oh, it's no big deal, and then it exploded into flames.
Caught us by surprise.
Yeah, it was a surprise. A surprise. Boom. Fireball. Nice
Okay.
cold day for this suit.
Yeah, nice, really ice cold day. From the moment this thing fires up, I'm going straight to the track. We'll see how she does. All right, you guys might want to stand back to make sure it fires up safely.
Yeah, if it fires, they'll slam the hood. You're on your way.
Then we'll take off running.
Here we go.
Dude! It was like a kitten! Still got oil pressure? Okay.
Oh, it's still got oil pressure. The last one wouldn't even start. We're off to a way better start here. Hey,
Got oil pressure?
it still has oil pressure. There's no check engine light. No check engine light. All right, here we go. Oh, she feels good. There we go.
Dude, he's flying!
Putting up a lap, too.
Dude, this thing is good to go. All right, we're several laps in, no check engine light still. Absolutely no signs that the car is slowing down either. No smoke behind me, no weird smells.
Drive away from the gasoline.
Uh-oh. Lap 17, Jackson.
Tie it up.
Still no check engine light. It's not overheating. Nothing. It's running the exact same as it was earlier.
This is a strong built machine here.
Lap 30. It's got diesel
Low mileage.
fuel. Yeah. Off-road red diesel fuel in there as engine oil, and it's just going
No
laps.
oil.
None.
Lap.
Here it is.
Oh my
It needs a
gosh.
pop on this lap.
How? He didn't think it was gonna go more than gas.
Lap 35.
I wonder if he's leaking something.
35 laps.
Diesel.
35 hard laps. And we're just chipping them away. There, right? Lap 36.
Lap 36.
Lap 36.
This is unbelievable.
Guys, you ever get in a pinch and all your oil leaks on the side of the road? Get some off-road diesel.
Worst case scenario.
Worst case scenario. Oh,
Slowing down.
better.
I think you're just getting a little tight. Come on, get to that. All right, 36 laps down.
37. Lap 37.
You might die on lap 37, bud.
It's just gonna shut off. Doop, that's it.
God dang, she's still going. Oh, she's sounding unhappy. This might be it. Oh, I can almost, oh, to the floor. Oh, she's dying. One more lap, baby. Come on, old girl. You got it, girl. Come on. Oh. Oh. She's dead. She's dead.
Buddy.
Just shut off until you make it off the track.
Buddy. 37 laps.
Yeah.
Brother! How many laps you think you did, boss man?
It felt like at least 20.
brother. Tell him, JT. Tell him, Dr. Spray.
36.
36.
36 laps,
Halfway through
dude.
lap 36.
Dude, the oil pressure light never came on until it shut off. So it was making pressure in the system, unlike the gasoline. Like the check engine light wasn't even on. And then I think everything just started to seize.
Oh,
I
she
think
got
you might
tight.
be
could
right.
hear
She's
it
hot.
Down those last 4 laps, she was getting tight.
She's puking water out.
Well, folks, there you have it. 37, 30.
It was on the 37th lap, halfway through, so 36 and a half laps under power.
There you have it. 36 and a half laps under power with diesel fuel. Oh,
Yeah, that's just water.
It's hot,
a
dude.
little hot. With diesel fuel in the crankcase. So no oil. That baby ran on diesel for probably like, 15 or 20 miles, but I was full rip. So I bet if you were cruising, needed some oil in a pinch, you could make it probably freaking 50 miles just normal driving.
And our professional hypotenuse, you would really need the oil though.
Yeah, I mean, you'd want it.
You
Yeah,
definitely-
like
if it's available, you definitely want engine oil in your engine.
But you could use diesel fuel.
But if you ran out of oil yesterday and you need it in a pinch, diesel fuel over gasoline in your engine,
We'll get you at least 20 miles.
at least.
All right, folks, 36 laps to a completely killed engine. Let us know what you want us to try next on the McFarland Science channel. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We will freaking see you later.